My old lady's out there watering the plants. Look at her little old ass.
How did you get them? I got permission to access the net to prove that she provoked you. Wow. You got influence. Hey, I don't it's just
Oh, blow it out your ass, Renee.
It's an incredible coincidence. It's doing my head in. You know? Yeah, he was supposedly murdered.
I'm a little old lady watering my garden.
That makes him an endangered species.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Pool vacuum. And look at it. It's so hot she has to put the water on the sidewalk. Damn.
He's had his nose out of joint ever since I got back in his position.
So that's her explanation, is professional guilt.
Yeah.
He's really got it in for me, shoving me up against the wall yesterday.
You reported that?
Not that it did time.
Yeah, that's right.
And when she turns around, oh, scratch that ear.
I will
Oh,
say,
you scratch it.
Jackson is the only staff member with a history of drug use.
Sneeze again.
No. That's just like you know. I would be.
Blow it out your ass.
Good.
Here she comes, here she comes. Look at.
Good luck. Take a look at the situation here. I need you to hold off on the risk of time, mate.
What's the situation?
Original manager needs investigating.
That's my old lady.
Investigate that. I'm trying to run a fucking business, you shit!
Yeah, I know. I just.
Wait.
Jack? What's going on?
Oh,
You alright?
yeah. Just a little bit headache.
What happened with Jenny? You said you can't tell me.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry for that.
No, I hope you're taking this seriously, not sticks.
I am taking it seriously.
Shit.
Very seriously.
I know you work together.
You got 10 points for perception.
But people don't know this is a movie that you
And
see.
the other thing
I was totally battle on their accusations.
Don't worry, I'll let her back in.
You're a good government here. Still, when you're done, you know what I got to him.
Thank you very much, and I can see that you're disgraceful. I'm just going to take it.
Hi. Oh, you picked that nose.
What the bar? Nadine's got one stashed. You only speak to me when you want something. Kiwi, fuck off. Kiwi, please, there's no one else who can help me. It's really important. Fucking she was like, what she done you because you're back in here? We wrote a beer. Mutual. Now you know how it feels. She don't want to hurt me. I just fell in love with her.
Hey.
It was the first time I ever let myself go there.
Hey.
And it just wasn't something I could control, you know?
Blow it out your ass. Come here, are you done? Are you almost done? You still have all that?